want to show you how awesome this is using Grape Lip and Cheek with something warm like this Rosewood Lip and Cheek, and what you could do with this grape as a shade adjuster. First off, on the lips, I think you could really see it. Right now I just have a gloss on and it is clear. And this is Rosewood, and you'll see how warm this is. Really pretty on its own. This is one of my favorites, especially for fall, but I want to cool it down. And this is Grape, and this looks crazy, but it's a gloss. So it's not pure pigment power, but it has enough that it's going to give the shade adjusting. So watch this. And you could keep adding until you get your desired result. Just tweak it a little around the lip line. You could even use a brush to do this, but it's very, very easy. And the consistency just feels so nice, and you can see how the tone has changed significantly, but I still have a little bit of that warmth from that Rosewood, but it's a little cooler. A little bit more of a berry undertone, but not much. It's like its own custom color. That's why I love having these in my collection. This one is pineapple. I have other videos on my channel that showcase this. This is to warm up cooler tones like pinks and stuff like that to come up with your own signature color. And this, of course, is the grape that I just showed you. These are from the Fruit Punch collection, and they do have a scent, not sickly sweet. They're really, really nice. It's very pleasant and nostalgic. Let me show you real quick on the cheeks. I have a little bit on, but I kind of tamped it down so I could actually show you on camera. First, I put the grape on. And again, you see that super purple, but you can see that it is so glossy and sheer. So putting on too much really doesn't happen. And then, so you could kind of control it that way. And this is the Rosewood. This is super pigmented. So I just go little by little so you can see that. This is a beautiful color for fall. And then my blush and bronzer brush. And then as I start to stipple it, you can get this to your liking. If you want more of the Rosewood to show through, you can kind of leave it like that. If you want a little bit more cool, like cool it down a little more to come up with kind of like a plummy brown almost, but it's so sheer that I feel like this is really pretty for the summer. Sorry, I was literally like half face like, because I really wanted to show you like how beautiful this is and what the glow that you can get from it. I'm going to do the other side, same exact thing. And I have some blemishes here, but I'm not too concerned about completely blocking everything out right now because this is my summer, like skin, like glow look. And I have just been not getting too crazy with covering every single little thing right now. Let's put some more grape on it. Tap it out. And now I have a little bit more of that kind of like a mulberry. It's so pretty. So I talked about these in previous videos, but I wanted to make a shorter one just really concentrating on these two for shade adjusting. They are so nice to have. You could even use, I even have a video where I did it with another brand of lipstick from Besame, and this works with all cream products that I've tried it with. It's been totally fine. It doesn't change the consistency because these are thin enough, they're glossy, and they feel really, really good on the skin as well, moisturizing, even on the cheeks and the lips. You'll find all of my information down below in the description. If you're new here, my name is Lisa. I'm an esthetician. I have been for 23 years. My channel is all about helping you with your skincare and makeup. So yeah, my information is all down there. Linktree is the easiest way. Everything is all in one place between Beauty Society and Seint Makeup. My color match form, my skin quiz is there. I even have a text number so you could communicate with me through there. It's quicker. I get those notifications faster, so we could have a conversation about your skin and what you're looking for in your makeup. Once again, thank you for joining me and hanging out, and I will see you soon.